for emission of carbon. Who is responsible? Developed nations or developing nations? This was the only talk during all summits and conferences on global warming and climate change. Besides coming to some solution, whole of the world is divided into two parts, developed and developing nations, each blaming the other for emission of carbon and not taking initiative to stop carbon emission itself. Whosoever is responsible for global warming, please, let's collectively do efforts to save our motherly planet Earth. Similarly, in our film, two parties, developed and developing, are blaming each other for carbon emission, but not taking initiative to stop it first, but always saying, you first.
Wow.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Papa.
Aha! Good morning, son.
Good morning, kid.
Wow. Good morning.
Good morning, you lazy one. Now get up.
Mama, I am hungry. Give me something to eat.
Okay, my love.
I am also hungry.
Wait, hold on. I'm preparing very special thing for you.
Wow, what special?
Your papa had brought it from Earth.
Hey, both of you, it's not like this. We have to eat it like people on Earth do.
Yes, we have to cook it first.
Cook?
Yes, cook. Look, James, what more I have brought from Earth. Grill and coal.
What is this? Grill and coal.
Yes, nowadays they are trading on it. It's carbon, son, carbon. It's very big game. You will not understand.
We will eat this carbon also?
No. It's for others' use.
Biggest meeting on global warming and Kyoto Protocol held on Earth. Developed and developing countries blame each other for producing carbon.
Earth sent their team to sell carbon to other planets.
Wow, potato.
Mummy, what is this?
I can't breathe.
Wait, let me see what is happening.
It smells odd. Stop it, bro. Don't do it.
Hey, you rodent! What are you doing? Why are you polluting my air? Stop it! I said stop it!
Oh, shut up, you silly bird.
I don't understand. Why is she shouting?
I think this smoke made her uncomfortable.
You stupid developing creatures! You don't have any right to do such activities without permission.
Permission? Which permission she is talking about? Julie, will you please show me the contract we have signed with God before coming to this planet?
Please give me potato.
I will see you later. Kids, do you want to eat a special thing?
Now see, nowhere it's written in the contract that we cannot make pollution. We have all the rights.
Stop polluting my air.
Give it to me. You call personal secretary of the God.
Yes, dear. What can I do for you?
Mr. Secretary, please tell us clearly that do we have right to create pollution?
You know, it's pure carbon.
Okay. Do we have right to create this carbon?
Are you developed or developing one?
We are still developing.
Then yes. No.
But nowhere it's written in the permission section of Kyoto Protocol that we cannot emit carbon.
Oh, you are confusing me. I think you just talk to God.
How we can call the God?
Simply press the same button 3 times.
1, 2, and 3.
Good morning, God.
Yes, my son. What do you want?
Dear God, do the developing party have right to emit carbon?
Yes. No.
You damn fool! Don't misguide anyone. Don't you remember what we have discussed during our last meeting?
Yes, my lord. Amendment of God's protocol over carbon.
Yes.
But my lord, wasn't that for planet Earth only?
Keep your mouth shut. That was for every planet.
God, please allow us to produce little carbon. We need to cook some potatoes.
No. Please don't pollute my planet. Cook them by some other method.
Yes. Cut the trees and put them on fire. There you can cook your potatoes.
No, you stupid. That is also my property. I haven't given any right to cut the trees and create more problems on my planet.
God, then what shall we do now?
Mummy potato.
Okay. Mr. PA, you go and call the meeting on Mars and start voting about this issue.
But my lord, you are forgetting that you are God. You don't need anybody's permission. You can simply say no.
Okay, it's my no.
Please, God, have some mercy. We are in developing phase. Allow us some activities so that we may also become developed party.
But don't pollute my lord's air. You have grown up kids. Why don't you stop eating now?
You stupid personal secretary. What do you think? If our kids are grown up, then we don't need food to eat?
Okay. I am giving fresh orders. You write down. But be sure to complete all your activities before 2015.
Thank you, God. Please give it in written.
I'll show to that crow. Huh.
But sorry, sir. I have left my computer on Jupiter.
You damn fool! I think first I need to change my secretary. Sorry, son. You have to wait up to my next orders.
Now you got it? Why I'm on the top of world. Why I have developed before you. I have a big brain and big power.
Hey, you stupid bird. Stop throwing this ash on my house. We will bury under it.
It is also carbon.
Yes, we will bury under this carbon.
You see, I can do whatever I want.
God, what is this? This is partiality. You are not allowing me to cook potatoes and they are grilling pumpkins?
No, son. I haven't allowed anyone to pollute my planet, whether it's a developing or developed party.
Then see, my lord, what they are doing.
Oh. Will you please tell me, what are you doing?
Why are you polluting my lord's planet? You have already developed. Still you are roasting pumpkins?
Please, you are nobody to question me. Dear God, what do you think? If we have developed ourselves, can't we do any activity? See my little kids, I still have lot many things to do. I have to raise my kids. I need to cook pumpkins for them.
Why don't you import ready to eat things from planet Earth?
You shut up, please.
My lord, don't come into their words. I think they are only producing carbon and planning to sell it to others.
Mr. Secretary, you please go. Go to my office and prepare a list of developed and developing parties. I want to solve this issue immediately. Everywhere it's carbon and carbon. No other issues left on any planet.
Excuse me, my lord. There is one more party you are forgetting.
Which one?
Underdeveloped one, my lord. They are also protesting for their rights on Venus.
Oh, I don't want any more protest. You call a meeting. I am also coming. Okay, now listen. You also have a genuine problem, but wait until my next orders. I warn both of you that stop polluting my planet, else I have to make a serious decision about it. I will withdraw your permission of living on my planet. I am serious.
Withdrawal? You can't do it, God. I have given enough funds to you also to develop this planet.
Hey, you crow! Stop looting my soil.
First, you stop polluting my air.
You do it first.
You first.
You first, you first, you first, you. You first, you first, you first, you.
You first, you first, you first, you. You first, you first, you first, you.
We are developing block by block. You are already on the top.
I have achieved such a phase. This is development, not a craze.
We need time, stop the clock. Soon you see we will rock.
You don't try in this race. Better stay on the base.
You first, you first, you first, you. You first, you first, you first, you.
You first, you first, you first, you. You first, you first, you first, you.
Stop polluting. You first.
You first.
Hey, you first.
You first.
You first.
You can never be here and can't even touch me. I have veto powers with me.
Listen, you do something. Otherwise, we will die under this carbon.
Wait, let me think of something.
Oh, hi. How are you? Why are you here?
Hello. I came in your support, man.
Thanks, dear. Tell us, what shall we do? Wow, great.
But we are not supposed to create pollution. Have you forgotten God's rules?
Who cares? Don't bother about that.
You rodent! Let me also call my supporters.
Don't slow down if you want to win the race.
But my intentions are not to hurt them in any way. Being a developed party, I always take care of them.
What do you think? We are killing them? We are just controlling them. Otherwise, they will overpower this planet.
Mummy, pumpkin.
Now you see, you also have to raise your kids. They are too small. You have to be strict.
Okay. Then let's do it.
Come on now. Come on. One more effort. I assure you that this whole planet will be yours.
Come on, come on, come on. I am with you. Now it's time, man.
What was this? We are losing control.
Oh, we are going down. Oh, oh.
You never work carefully. This is the second time we have landed on the wrong place.
Why are you blaming me? It is not my fault.
Now come out. We have to repair the spaceship.
Who are you?
Hey, clear your glasses and look carefully. Don't you see? They are Oolalala people from Earth.
Oh, yes.
I think they are here for carbon trading.
Hey, shut up. They were just to die and you are still after carbon?
Hi. We are residents of planet Earth.
Cool Earth.
It's no more cool Earth. It's hot Earth now. Just see from here. Cool.
What happened to all of you? Why have you burned your cell and your houses?
This is all due to you.
Due to us. What have we done?
You people from Earth have taught all wrong games to others also.
What game?
Carbon game. Have they not brought carbon and potatoes from Earth and spoiled my house? I was happily living in peace.
Why don't you tell your story? You have also bought grills and pumpkins and
But you are doing things in a wrong way.
What wrong way?
See, you are living in a conflicted manner. If you remain like this, it will always be a problematic situation. You should come to one level and resolve all your issues. See how we settle things on Earth.
Yes, we know that what you people do on Earth. Always gather for meeting and blah 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 with no results.
You are wrong, mister. We have recently conducted a meeting in which we have made a list of all issues to be discussed in next summit and in our next to next summit.
Summit. You aliens carry on with your smites, and by the time your Earth will bang like this.
It's time to take action, man. Like us. Do or die.
Shut up, you silly creature. Now you will tell us how to live.
You must come to equal platform and think of resolving your problems in a civilized way.
Then why don't you adopt this formula on your planet first?
You are wrong. We have no conflict with any country on any issue.
Don't tell us. We daily watch you on Channel Earth. Besides clearing your issues, clear your air and soil first and stop polluting.
You Earth people are every time fighting with each other on the issue of duties in the name of developed and developing countries. But you never take some action to save your planet.
Earlier we used to show your beautiful planet Earth to our kids from here, but you people have spoiled it.
Go away. Go away from here. Do your duties. Yes, I said go away from here and do your duties first. Then teach others.
And also stop selling carbon. See what this carbon has done to us. Stop polluting your planet.
You first.
Now we will go and call a meeting.
No more meeting. only action. We first.
Hey, we first!